Previously, we made some angry birds and a slingshot, and now we need some targets. So today we're going to make some targets by taking eggs, painting them to look like fragile green pigs, setting them up, and then using the slingshot and birds to knock them down. We've got our birds made, we've got our catapult built. Now what we need is some pigs. And it may seem a little strange, but what we're going to use for pigs is eggs. And I know eggs are more like the birds, but in the game, the pigs are extremely fragile. One little bump and they just poof into dust. And I figure if we use eggs, then we'll easily be able to see if they get broken or even just slightly injured. Here's the basic plan. We've got our birds, we've got our slingshot, so now we need targets, and we're gonna be painting some eggs to look like green pigs, setting them up in towers, and using our slingshot to shoot our birds at the targets. Green eggs and ham. Green eggs as ham. Green eggs and then they're picked green eggs as ham. There, yep. All right, little bird, let's see what you can do. Ha! Direct hit. Yeah, that piggy egg is dead. I got him. I like that. It didn't hit the blocks of wood and fall over. I just smashed him directly. Yes! Destruction! Broken egg, broken egg. Oh, that guy's only leaking a little bit, but in Angry Birds, that's enough. They just puff and turn to dust when you get them. Oh, and he is broken. Yes! 2 successes in a row. Oh! Half point. Oh no! Well, that's one pig definitely got squished in there. The building fell on him. Oh, it's gone! That's all of them. 3, 2, 1. I think a couple of them survived, at least one of them. This guy somehow managed to roll down and land on the soft grass without getting injured. Way to go, pig. His face is nicely presented there. Giant Angry Bird slingshot, real life projectiles, cracking eggs, everything you've ever hoped for. This is a lot of fun. Now I just got to figure out what to do with a giant slingshot. I think I might get one of those water balloon slingshots and just permanently attach it to here. Like just one person launch water balloons like 300 feet. That should be great. This was awesome. Guys, it's not all. We've got more for you to see. The box at the top will take you to our last video. You should check that out. The box at the bottom will show you what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. And this bomb in the middle will subscribe you to our channel so you never miss out on a video. Don't forget to ring the bell, and we will see you in the next one. Talk to you then.